Hello children, now first class mathematics. Take your textbook children, take your textbook and take pencil. Sharp your pencil children. Now 14th chapter, our chapter name is page number 116. Page open it children, page number 116. Open it all of you. Very good children. 14th chapter. Our chapter name is what children here? Numbers. Say numbers spelling. Numbers. 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 Before. 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 Between. 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 After. So what is our chapter children now? Numbers, before, between, after. Before, between, after. Before spelling before. Before. Between between. 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 After. After. See here children. Look at the picture given below. Say what is happening. How many people are standing? How many people are sitting? See here children in these pictures too. What is happening here? What is happening? So, two people are dancing only? Yes, they are doing some program in school only. Yes, some children are sitting, some members are standing, some members doing dance. See here. See, these girls are dancing only. These men are standing here. This also some members are standing. Here some children are sitting. So here some program is there. So in this questions only asking down. See children. How many seats are there in first row? In first row, how many seats having in first row, this row? How many seats having? Count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First row, how many seats having? 10 seats. 10 seats. In first row, how many seats having children? 10 seats. In first row, in 10 seats having. So, with which seat number does the second row begin? With which seat number does the second row begin? So, which seat? 11th one only? This row begin. 11th seat. 11th seat. With which seat number does the third row end? So 11th row is, second row is beginning in 11th seat too. So here 22 ending. See here in third row 21 to start and in which number to ending? 30. So here what question will asking? With which seat number does the third row end? Third row end? Which seat to? 30. 30th seat to ending the third row. Next here. Some seats do not have numbers. say those numbers. See children, here some do not having some numbers. So say that numbers. See here 1, 2, 3 given. Here numbers is not given only. So 4. So 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4th one, 5th, 6th, 7 given, 8 given, and here two seats numbers only not given. Here 8 after number 9. So write 9 children. Write 9 and 10. So 9 this like only children, 9, 9, 10. 9, 10. Okay. See. Here 9, 10. Another color having means you write children. So 9 here write, 10 here write. Okay. Next one 11, 12, 13, 14. After 14 after number. 14 after number what children? 14 after number. 14 after 15. 15. 1, 5, 15, right. So 15 and 17 between number. 15 and 17 between number 16. 16. Okay, here 15, here 16. After 17, 18, 19, 20. So here 24 and 27 between numbers. 24 after number 25. 25 after number 20. 25 and 26, 27 between number 26. So write all of you children. Say two numbers of seats. Say the two numbers of seats between 14 and 17. 14 and 17 between numbers 15 and 16. 15 and 16. 15 and 16. So from 31 to 40, how many people can sit? 31 to 40. How many people can sit here? Sitting here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 people are sitting. 10 people are sitting. So next one. What is the number before 45? Before 45, what is the number? See children, where having first of all 45? You know children these numbers? So where having 45? Here? No. Search it here. 45 is here. So 45 before number 44. 44. 45 before number is 44. So what is the number after 49? After 49, which number? Last number only. Which number is the last number after 49? This is the 49 only. 49 after 50. After the 49 is 50. Between what numbers does 7 lie? So, between what number does 7 lie? See here. Between number 6 and 8. Between number is 7. So, is the number is 34 nearer to 40 or 31? So, 34 number here only having. So, this number nearer 40 or 31? 31. Which number to near this 34? 31 to only? Yes. So, keep all of you. Are you understand, children, now? So, how many people are standing here once you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This side 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 people are standing and 2 people are dancing. 50 people are sitting. 50 children are sitting. So, now a question, children. Count the dots in the boxes given. Write the suitable number in box. Tick write the number of which is the bigger of the two. So here giving 2 boxes. So which one is more numbers having? Which one having more dots? That one to keep writing. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Count with me, children. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. See, in each box 2 10 only having. So 4 tens means 40. 1, 2, 3, 43. Here 43 dots. Here how many dots will count, children? So in each box 2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Here 52 dots is there, 5 tens and place 2. 52 here 4 tens and plus 3 43. So which number is bigger? Which one is bigger? 52 is bigger. So we keep right tick in 52. Count the dots in the box given. Write the suitable number in the right tick the number which is smaller of the 2. Here which one is small? That numbers 2. That box to keep right tick. So the upper only which one is big? That one to keeping right tick. Here small numbers too. Write all of you. Count all of you. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60